In this video of how to guide, I'm going to show you how to see Instagram story without seeing. If you want to view someone's Instagram story but you don't want to be added on the seen list, then let me show you a couple of ways that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can do is first of all open up your Instagram app and load up the stories. You can refresh your page a couple of times and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. So just turn it off, close off the recent app of Instagram, and then you can now again open up your Instagram and then view that story. Now this option or this process is seen working for a lot of people and it also does not work for some. So you need to risk it and try it out for yourselves. And the second method that I'm going to show you will only work if that person's Instagram account is public. If their Instagram account is private, you cannot do this step. So open up your web browser and search for Instagram story download, and you can tap on the first website, or you can directly also search for this, which is storysaver.net. Once you search for this, it's going to show you a section where you can type in the username of the person that you're trying to see the story of. Search for the username and then tap on download, and now you can view all of the stories that this person or this account has added in. As you can see, whether they be photos or videos, you can tap open them and you can view their stories. But like I said, this method only works if that person's Instagram account is not private. So I hope I could help you out with this. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below.